Indirect tax revenue collections for the month of May is now available. Now, as far as May 2015 is concerned, the indirect tax collections have increased by 37.3%. Therefore, cumulatively for April and May, therefore, compared to the past year, the increase is by 39.2%. Now, this increase is spread over all the three categories, that is customs, central excise and service tax. Now, a significant part of this increase is on account of the additional cess that was imposed on diesel and petrol, the clean energy cess. And in comparison to last year, there has been a withdrawal of excise duty on motor vehicles and certain categories of consumable durables. Now, even if the impact of these additional sectors is excluded, in May the increase would be 16.9%. And cumulatively the increase would be 12.6% for the 2 months. Now, this is a very healthy growth in indirect taxes, and it is spread over all sectors. It initially indicates a pickup in manufacturing, particularly because the excise collections have moved up. Manufacturing क्षेत्र में वृद्धि अच्छी हो रही है और एक बार दोबारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्षेत्र खड़ा हो रहा है देश का, क्योंकि सेंट्रल एक्साइज में अपने आप में काफ़ी अच्छी वृद्धि है. धन्यवाद. नहीं.
सर लैंड बिल पर जो मुलाकात है किसान नेता से मुलाकात हुई
आज देश के विभिन्न प्रमुख किसान संगठनों के लोग मुझे मिले थे. पिछले महीने भी 28 मई को मुझे मिले थे. तो मैंने उन्हें कहा था कि सुझाव जो उनको समझाया मैंने कि जो बिल के प्रावधान हैं तो वो अपने कॉन्क्रिटाइज करके लाएं, तो वो लिख के लाए हैं. उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे सुझाव दिए हैं और रचनात्मक रवैया उनका काफ़ी है और सरकार की अप्रोच में और उनकी अप्रोच में जो अंतर है वो बहुत कम है. और इसलिए जो उनके सुझाव आए हैं, मैं जो कंसर्न विभाग के मंत्री हैं उनको भेजूंगा और उनसे बात भी करूंगा.
So you're saying manufacturing has picked up, that's what your indirect...
This seems to, you see, because excise duties, even independent of the additional revenue measures, if we exclude the additional revenue measures, even then, May indicates a growth of about 16.9 and cumulatively it is about 12.6 for the 2 months. Now, this is a fairly healthy growth, but if you exclude all the additional revenue measures, then it's 39 and 37%.
Sir, but the same is not reflected in core sector growth and index of industrial production.
Is the reflection of this growth in manufacturing?
I don't know. This is revenue is one indication, that's another indication. So cumulatively, we'll have to add up all these. Since it's a pattern which has continued for 2 months, it at least gives some green shoots.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.